Hello YouTube, today I wanted to make another video on how to stream movies from your computer to your PlayStation via a router. You do not need an expensive router. A lot of people say you need a new router to stream video. That might be true for HD video, but this works fine for just streaming movies for me. And it's an older one we picked up a few years ago. Or it can also be done through just an Ethernet cable directly to the back of your PlayStation. That one happens to go to my Xbox. Alright, so from beginning to end, here's what you do. First program you would need is Movavi Video Converter. That is what you need to convert the movies. There's other programs. This is what I find the best. And then also, if you're into burning movies, then you would want DVD Fab to copy movies to your computer, and that's how I get all my movies. Okay, Movavi Video Converter. Alright, so this would open up, and what you'd want to do, if you have a DVD in your drive, that would most of the time work. We'll do that, because I'm assuming that's what a lot of people are going to do, so hold on. Pineapple Express. Okay. Put Pineapple Expression. Alright, I'm not sure if this will work because it's a newer movie. A lot of the newer ones won't let you do it straight from DVD, but I mean, it's worth trying. Okay, so click DVD. See if this wants to load, or yeah, Pineapple Express. Okay, it'll open up Windows Media Player, but we don't want that. Alright, so I'll click DVD, go down to the DVD drive, Pineapple Express, video, always click video, come down and click OK. Alright, and then to make sure it's the right movie, that I'm not faking anything for any reason, right there, Pineapple Express, working perfectly fine. Okay, so I'd want to make sure that the source file is checked, and then I'd want to come down here and go under the Devices tab, and you'll have a list of devices. You'll have Apple, PSP, Epson, BlackBerry, mobile phone, PDA, Microsoft, Zune, Creative Zen, and PlayStation 3. It's the one you want to click. And I use NT. I use this one right here. And then you have these two if you want to convert to HD. But I don't want to do that, so click here, and I would click Convert. And it would convert. It takes a while. I mean, I'm running a not the best computer. It's good enough to run Vista. I think 4 gigs of RAM, and it still takes around 8 hours to convert one movie. But that's why you just convert multiple movies at a time. And it's really not that big of a deal, but it works fine. Okay, so I would click Convert, but I'm not going to, but you would, and you'd wait for it to finish, and it would save. Alright, sorry, my DVD Fab is, okay. It would save it to the desktop, okay? So for instance, right here, I have Watchmen on my desktop. We'll pretend that it's Pineapple Express for a while. Okay, so the next step in doing it is you would open up right here. You would go over to Network. Okay, and it'll bring up the name of your computer. This right here won't show up yet. If you did it right, then it'll show up. Up here you want to go to Network and Sharing Center. And you'll see right down here, File Sharing. It'll stay off, more than likely. So you want to click there, turn file sharing on. That's what you want to do. Okay, then once that's done, make sure public folder sharing is on, and make sure media sharing is on. Those are the two that you need to make sure are on. Let's show you this one for a minute. Media sharing is on. Okay. I'll show you what it'll look like if you were to change it. When you change it to on, this is what it's going to look like. Okay. So once all these are on, you'll get this screen. I'm sorry, I guess it was on. And you just click OK. Now with this, nobody worry about this. You're not going to get something up here that says PlayStation. That's just for the Xbox because they're both Microsoft. So yeah, don't worry about that. You might get an unknown device, maybe. It doesn't really matter though. So you make sure that it's on. Share my media. Come down and click OK. Okay. Get rid of everything. Now, the next thing you want to do is you take your movie that you converted, that's on the desktop, go down to your bar, go to the name of your computer, it's the one in the top right, mine happens to be here, go to the public folder right here, public videos, and you'll have one that says sample videos that should have like, I think like a butterfly, a bear. Leave everything in this folder right here. Just it doesn't matter that it says sample videos, whatever. Just put it there anyway. Alright, so I would click it, ignore this, and here's movies that I have on here. Okay. So you want to take your movie and drag it into the sample videos folder that's under public videos, not normal sample videos. Okay, and it'll show up right there. This is actually an MP4, not Windows Media Video, which is what you basically want to convert it. If you can't get Movavi, just make sure you convert it to Windows Media Video, or however you would say that. Okay. Next thing is, I'd come over to my PlayStation. Alright, now a lot of people went to search for media servers, and they did that last time, and that's not what you do. That's if you want to put a program that you usually have to pay for on your computer to run in the background to send it to the PlayStation, but you don't need that. So under the video tab, you should see one that says the name of your computer and then PC. So you want to click there, and then you go down under the video folder, you go to all video, and there you go, a list of all the movies that you would put on there. There's Watchmen. This is MP4, so it might show up in less quality. Well, anyways, there's that. And this would also work for music and pictures. So see, I'd go to music, dad, PC, click music, all music. No clue what the song is, I'll play it anyways. And that is how you would connect your PlayStation to your computer through a network. Alright, subscribe.